Guys, we're back here with another video. We got some big news going on. We are actually planning to give a giveaway. Now this giveaway is going to be $300 GoPro, the Hero 5 black, or if you're a girl or maybe you just want a gift card, a $300 gift card of your choosing,
car parts possibly,
to anywhere.
But our thinking behind this is, if we give away a GoPro, that was our original idea. You might have seen Street Speed do this. You have the ability then, therefore being a car person, maybe even start up your own YouTube channel or just take really cool videos of your car. You can get the GoPro little suction cup thing and mount it to your car, make all kinds of cool time lapses like you see in our videos. But really, guys, this is more of a thank you, just of our steady growing. And the reason we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, if y'all don't know, is not too long ago YouTube changed its requirements for monetization. So you either have to have a channel with 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours per 6 months, I think, which is quite a bit of watching, because you think every video is 5 to 10 minutes long. So, but we're gonna do a GoPro Hero 5 Black giveaway or a $300 gift card to, like, if you're a girl, maybe you want like a Sephora gift card or something. We know that's pretty big around here, we're not sure, but it's whatever you all want. You just have to tell us. We could even do just like a prepaid Visa and put $300 on there. But
and there's no set deadline for when this giveaway is going to happen. Just whenever we hit 1,000 subscribers, we will take all the subscribers and generate them on a name on the internet.
It's like a random
generator
name picking website, and it will actually scroll through for us. We'll put it all on video. We're not trying to be biased. We're not just trying to give it away to a certain person. Although if we don't like you, we might not give it to you. No, I'm joking. But we'll just click it, we'll video it, and you can watch it scroll through, and it'll pick it, and we'll try to contact you via your email that's linked to your YouTube account. So stay tuned, guys. Got some more big things. We're still working on all of our editing skills and stuff, but we apologize if you can't see around us. It's late at night, so and we're just now making this video. We just posted on our Instagram. We had to come somewhere where it was kind of lit up, but once again, guys, if you haven't subscribed and you see this, go ahead and subscribe, because once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we will be doing a $300 giveaway. GoPro Hero 5 Black is $299, or a $300 gift card of some kind, or a prepaid Visa for you to spend. But you do have to be subscribed, and you have to like this video, okay? Those are the rules. And our Instagram is Down South Racing 606. So it's got the same symbol as our YouTube. We're trying to grow that as well. So give that a follow. And there's more. There's a post on there. It says, "Attention, huge giveaway below." It's a picture of my car, the white Mustang, on there, and it's got all the details below. And you can message any one of us or comment down below on this. But once again, guys, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe, because you don't want to miss out on this. We know it's not, nothing crazy, but I mean, $300 isn't nothing. And I know some of y'all might want to do this, might just not have the funds to do like a real camera or something. And listen, you don't even need a real camera to be a YouTuber. We use our phones every now and then, because now again, they're just as good as a real camera. But
we did add a new camera to the arsenal, though.
Oh yeah,
the Sony A6000.
So we're gonna be
better
posting some better action shots of our cars. Not that our Canon Rebel does bad, but we want to step it up some more. So last thing, guys, just I can't say it enough. Just go ahead and subscribe, and thank you to everyone who has already subscribed. Thanks to seeing our Instagram and Facebook posts and Twitter.
We've gained 100 within.
Yeah, we're almost to 450, and so that's awesome. So if we could hit 500 by the time this video goes up sometime tonight, that'd be awesome. But this is Zach and Jared signing off for Down South Racing. Subscribe. Peace out.